This is why you're depressed, sir. I'm gonna tell you exactly why you are depressed. Isa akong sad boy noon, bro. I am a sad boy. I'm so insecure. I am an overthinker. Lahat-lahat lang mga negative thoughts sinasabi ko sa sarili ko. That I am a failure. Yan yung sinasabi ko. Because I am neglecting myself to work out, to develop myself, to become the best version of it that God has given to me. And you are depressed because you are eating shitty foods, garbage, junk foods, sweets, all those garbage, bro. You're eating it, and you're consuming too much social media, spending 9 to 10 hours per day on social media to be specific. And if you are spending social media for learning purposes, then do it. But 9 to 10 hours, bro, and I keep on wondering why I am depressed. And that's because I am too much on my comfort zone, spending too much on my comfort zone. And I am blaming God that, Lord, bakit ako ganito? This, that, and that. Because of me, bro. God has nothing to do with all our insecurities in life. He doesn't give us insecurities. He gave us blessings. And you might think na yung mga sakit, all those insecurities na nasa mukha ko, pimples, acne, skinny fat physique is from God. Bro, that's very wrong perception because God didn't give us insecurities. He gave me blessings, but I see the negativity that the enemy wants. So take the action, bro. This is what I realized. We are depressed because we are always on our comfort zone. Umaga pa lang, cellphone na kaagad, TikTok na kaagad. Umaga pa lang, like instead na bumangon ka na agad, wake up immediately and then fix everything kung ano yung dapat mong gawin. Always on your phone, bro. And getting out of our comfort zone is very hard, bro. Going to the gym early at the morning. Mostly ngayon, gabi na ako nag-gym. Pero noon, bro, like around 7 to 8 a.m. That's my schedule na papasok ako ng gym. And it's very hard, bro, waking up early in the morning. And bro, I build a respectable physique right now. I'm so grateful that I don't have a skinny fat physique because of that sacrifice is getting out of the comfort zone. And now I'm getting out more and more of my comfort zone, bro, by recording this video, by giving you something valuable. Ano yung learnings na that I gained from those journey. And bro, get out of your comfort zone. We are depressed and stressed because we are always in our comfort zone. So that's the message for today. Get out of your comfort zone, bro. You're blessed.